Helicopter 69 Foxtrot, Candy Tower, what's your request? Helicopter 69 Foxtrot, route to departure from that area is at your own risk, not visible from the tower, pass behind, runway 13 right. To pick up the Coney route and then Flatbush, maintain at or below 500, Kennedy altimeter 3034.
Flatbush at below 5, we'll...
Swiss 23 Alpha Heavy, heading 155 and contact New York departure. Have a good day.
Heading 155, departure Swiss 23 Alpha Heavy, same to you, bye.
Helicopter 69 Foxtrot, rate of contact 500.
69 Fox.
Delta 1636, wind 120 at 8, runway 13 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 13 right, cleared for takeoff, Delta 1636.
Delta 230 Heavy, Candy Tower, runway 13 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 13 right, Delta 230 Heavy.
Delta 1636, heading 185, contact New York departure. Have a good day.
Heading 185, contact departure, Delta 1636.
Delta 230 Heavy, wind 110 at 9, runway 13 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 13 right, Delta 230 Heavy.
Brickyard 4586, Candy Tower, caution link turbulence, runway 13 right, line up and wait. Delta 230 Heavy, heading 155, contact New York departure. Have a good flight.
Heading 155, switch to departure, Delta 230 Heavy. Good night.
Helicopter 69 Foxtrot, 9 miles to the west, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, and frequency change approved.
Squawk and switch. Have a great night. 69 Fox.
Brickyard 4586, wind 110 at 10, runway 13 right, cleared for takeoff.
13 right, clear for takeoff, we're going for the fast descent.
Delta 184 Heavy, Candy Tower, runway 13 right, line up and wait.
Line up away 13 right, Delta 184 Heavy.
Delta 184 Heavy, wind 110 at 9, runway 13 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 13 right, Delta 184 Heavy.
Brickyard 4586, heading 185, contact New York departure, have a good flight.
185 on the heading to departure for Brickyard 4586, bye.
Alaska 41, Candy Tower, caution, wing turbulence, runway 13 right, line up and wait, it'll be about 2 minutes holding in position.
Line up and wait, 13 right, Alaska 41, thank you.
Delta 184 Heavy, heading 155, contact New York departure, have a good day.
155, good night, Delta 184 Heavy.
Alaska 41, traffic is rolling out, runway 22 left, the runways do not intersect, wind 110 at 8, runway 13 right, cleared for takeoff.
Takeoff 13 Alaska 41.